Hello students. Our next topic is Silk Route. Silk Route is most important trading route which connecting Northern Africa to Europe and Asia via India. This was Silk Route. It means which connect Northern Africa to European countries as and India via China. It means that China via India. It means that this was the Silk Route. Silk Route was ancient trading route connecting Northern Africa to Europe and Asia. It was well developed trading route of exchanging goods, trade, culture. It means that it was most important and historical trading route which was the route of exchanging trade, culture, ideas and goods. I tell you that whatever new countries were discovered, these were discovered via Silk Route only. It was existed since before Christian era and up to 15th century. This route was existed before Christian era. It means that it was started before Christian era and it was well developed route up to 15th century. But after 15th century, this route was divided into various parts, so it lost its existence and popularity. The first commodity, why Silk Route to name silk? Because the first commodity was Chinese silk. The first commodity was Chinese silk, later Chinese pottery, gold, silver, paper, tea, coffee travel via Silk Route. China was leading prominent nation during that time. It was a leading industrial nation. Every country wanted to do business with China. So the first commodity was Chinese silk because Chinese silk was world popular. Chinese silk, after pottery, paper, many more commodities exchanged through Silk Route. It became the historical trading route. It became the most developed trading route as well as exchanging of culture, religion such as Buddhism. One more information for you that many new religion and culture exchanged via Silk Route. How? Buddhism was the religion of India because it was originated in India. But from India, it spread through Sri Lanka and European countries as well as Africa and European countries via Silk Route. So Silk Route became the popular route for exchanging many religion as well as the culture. Christian missionary mean Christianity also promoted from European to other part of world via Silk Route. So it was the general introduction about Silk Route. Again I am repeating, Silk Route was important historical trading route connecting Northern Africa to Europe and Asian countries via India. It was well developed trading route exchanging goods, trade and culture. It was existed before Christian era and lasted up to 15th century. But after 15th century it was divided into various parts because many canal system introduced through Silk Route, so it become weak and it loses its popularity. The first commodity was Chinese silk. Afterwards, many commodities such as Chinese pottery, gold, silver, paper, tea, coffee were introduced via Silk Route. One more point I will tell you that the printing introduced. Printing was firstly originated in China. China is the hub of printing. It means that print technology was firstly developed in China. So it reached in European countries via Silk Route by Marco Polo. It became the most developed trading route of exchanging culture, religion such as Buddhism. It means that many religions such as Buddhism and Christianity promoted in various parts of the world via Silk Route. Thank you.